A story has no beginning or end. One chooses that moment of experience, from which to look back or from which to look ahead. And this is our story. A story about the chances we took, the dreams we had, and the leap of faith we took to achieve them. This is about our sacrifice. The sacrifice of fun we used to have during summer holidays. This is about the choices we made. The choice to be a part of something bigger. The choice to be a part of Amity Summer School.
My name is Udit Rai. I enrolled for the Amity University Summer School program in law. It was a fantastic experience. The lectures were very interesting. The faculty was simply awesome. Really honest, I did not expect this to be that good.
The forensic class was a fairly new experience, and everyone had been excited about the mysteries behind solving a murder. The things students were taught varied from inspecting the crime scenes to the importance of evidences found to illustrations of actual case studies. Overall, it had been quite a thrilling experience. The content of the course was very good and very interesting. It was suited to the level of knowledge of the student.
I'm Anugrah Pandey and I'm in class 11th. I have opted for the Aerospace and Avionics in the Amity Summer School of 2015. This Aerospace and Avionics course, during this course of my specialization time, I got to learn many new things about the functioning of an aircraft, its propulsion, the aerodynamics, its parts. They all were really very informative, and it was due to the efforts of my teacher, who were not only very well versed with their subjects, but also had experience of working in organizations like DRDO for more than 20 to 30 years. They were really very helpful and taught me many new things about the aircraft.
Everybody has a knack for fashion. Maybe that's why the clothes made by a fashion design department were the talk of summers. In a short span of 2 weeks, the students had learned a massive amount of information about what it is to be a fashion designer. The end result had been a piece of stunning clothing by each student.
I'm Aryan. I'm from Amity Mayur Vihar and I opted for electronics and communication. So in my course I got to learn various things I just didn't know about, like the various gates in an integrated circuit, various telecommunication paths, the architecture of telecommunication, and lots of things. That was quite amazing because not seen such universities offering so much n number of courses, and I was just amazed.
The design made by architecture students had been phenomenal. After spending days upon days to perfect their designs, every single student had come up with outstanding designs, about them learning a lot about what it takes to be an architect.
My name is Shraddha Parchani and I came to the summer school basically because I'm interested in the filmmaking field. I've always been wanting to do this, and I want to make an impact on people, inspire them with my films. I think these 2 weeks have helped me a lot. I have learned more from this course than I could have in, I think, a year of college.
Every person had that one dream destination that they want to go. The students who took travel and tourism all had a deep passion for traveling, and here at Amity they learnt all about it. From the 7 wonders of the world to the culturally rich states of India, the students got an insight about all the sectors of tourism industry.
My name is Riya Chandaliya, studying in Amity International School, Pushp Vihar. I took my career as a photography, and you get to work on the DSLRs, and you get to know the focus and the ISOs and stuff. It's pretty amazing to see all this, and working with a mentor like this was so much fun. So I really hope to come here again next year.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Luckily, the students of Amity Summer School had no such problem. There had been numerous activities to do after classes ended. It had almost turned into a routine that every evening after classes, we would run out to play. Some went to the huge football field for a match, while others dispersed in the basketball or badminton court. There had been some quite adventurous activities like swimming or shooting. Apart from that, there had been a huge arcadia in which students used to find in every day.
I am Ishita Ratra from the Computer Science Department of the Amity Summer School. I came here expecting a really vigorous school program, and I thought I'll have a lot of homework and projects and no room for fun. Basically, I expected it to be a summer school, but it turned out to be quite different. It turned out to be a very educational experience, but more out of the classroom than in the classroom. I learned more from the entire experience of what it would be like to live in a hostel in a university, and what all I would cover in different courses and everything.
I'm Vaishnavi. I'm coming from Delhi Navy Children's School. I've chosen the course biotechnology, and it's moreover getting into nature plus technology. It has provided many courses which help to choose your career option, and I'm liking my course, and the teachers are very innovative, and they're very helpful, and they give you very new ideas and help you to do really good with biotechnology.
My name is Shwet Agarwal, and I am from Sethanaram Jaguriya School, Kanpur. I got an opportunity to take part in the hotel management, and I really want to know about the hospitality sector of the industry, and for that I came for this post in the hotel management in Amity Summer School program.
First day when I stepped in, I didn't know where I was falling. Hostel room shone so bright, each and every face was full of light. Mentor seemed appealing, the university was so pleasing. I knew that I had everything, didn't know what life would bring. Full of dreams and aspirations I came here. To every field I gave a glare. I made the most out of it and charged myself with a new spirit. Every day I waited for the clock to strike 5 to get the bounded bee out of his eye. I could throw, catch and play, just wish that moment could stay. Here teachers are like friends, friends are like family. Hanging out with them all around makes me feel so lively. I can't believe that it has come to an end. So much qualities of time I have spent. Amity has given me a platform to fulfill my dream to play, my dream to love, my dream to live and be a photographer.
I think I would like to come here again.
Overall, it was an amazing experience. Given an opportunity, I would love to do the summer school again.
It has been a very great experience for me coming in summer school.
And I'm loving it.
I really hope to come here again next year, whether the career option we're looking for is actually something we want to do or not.
I'm very happy to join Amity. Indeed, a great experience.
Amity gave me opportunity to take part in the horse riding program.
This was just a great experience for me. I have a lot of memories to look back when I go to 11th.
I might regret many things in my life, but I will never regret coming to Amity.
Frank Herbert once said, "There is no real ending. It's just the place where you stop the story." And here we are. There were thousands of beautiful memories made. And to say any more will be like unraveling a piece of our heart. A story full of friendship and laughter and silliness. Bonds were made stronger than those we had known for years. Opportunities were presented on a silver platter. Knowledge far beyond imagination was learned. And days were lived. Days that we'll never forget. This is the story of the students of Amity Summer School.